What's up, guys? This is John from JohnMcNeil.com, and today I'm super excited to share this video with you because in this video I'm going to be showing you a unique way to start generating income online without spending a dime. Guys, get excited. We're starting right now. Alright guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and what we're going to be doing today is we're actually going to be able to take popular videos on YouTube that people have given us the rights to reuse, and we're going to actually download those videos and re-upload those videos to our own channel, and then we're going to be able to monetize those videos. And this is the process I'm going to walk you guys through today. So for instance, the first thing you want to do is you're going to pick a niche. So say we want to be in the health and fitness niche and we want to sell products around losing belly fat. So the first thing I would do is type in, lose belly fat. And then I will see these videos pop up. Now these videos you cannot use for any type of monetary gain because they're all copyrighted. But you can go over here to filter, and then you can go to features, and then where you see Creative Commons. Creative Commons basically gives you the rights to reuse. So if I click on this first video, the first thing that I want to look for is I'm gonna go down into the description, and I want to make sure that this video, okay, so it sees here license, Creative Commons attribution license, reuse allowed, right? So you're able to download this video legally and reuse this video. So what you would do is basically you have your own YouTube channel around losing belly fat, and then you can find different videos centered around like losing belly fat. You can download those videos, and instead of using his thumbnail, you want to create your own thumbnail, right? You want to get your own polished, nice thumbnail. You can actually do that for free at canva.com. And if you have a little bit of money to spend, you can actually go over to fiverr.com and get one of their graphics artists to do like a really professional thumbnail for you. But then you want to, get a new thumbnail. And then the other thing that you're going to do is you're going to do your own SEO for the video. So you're going to come up with your own title, your own description, and your own tags. So essentially all you're going to do is just download this video, which you have the rights to do. And then you're going to create a thumbnail, you're going to get a nice title, you're going to get a nice description where you're going to input different keywords in that description, and you're going to put some really good tags. If you guys have any questions about that, I'll link a video in the description on how you do that specifically. So basically how we monetize this. So we know this video or our channel is going to be about belly fat. So what we can do is we can go over to clickbank.com and we can go to the health and fitness niche, and we can look for products that we can sell around like losing belly fat. So I've already come to the health and fitness niche, and I found this product here. It's called Flat Belly Fix, and you get $33 a sale. There's another belly product here called Lean Belly Breakthrough, and you get $39 a sale. So essentially, these videos are already popular. So your job is to, get a good thumbnail so people will click through. They're going to see this great video that people already love. You can already see it generates a lot of views. And then you're going to do your own SEO so you can try to get it into the search results. And then a percentage of that traffic that's coming to your channel, that's coming to your videos, are going to click in the description. And then they're going to go over to your ClickBank product in which they can learn how to lose belly fat. All right, guys, so I hope that made sense. Just make sure that you absolutely get the Creative Commons videos, and I wouldn't alter these videos at all, guys. I wouldn't try to add music or do anything to alter the video. Just download the video and re-upload it just as it is. Create a new thumbnail and do your SEO thing in the tags, titles, and description. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a short one, but I just wanted to show you this little quick method to make some money. If you have any questions about this method, you can leave it in the comment sections below. Make sure you like this video if you liked it, and make sure you go over to my website, johnmcneil.com. I actually do have a free guide here that will teach you how I make money online, how I do affiliate marketing from scratch. So you can go over to johnmcneil.com and grab that ebook. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.